Ever find yourself searching for the perfect word but coming up short? Advanced vocabulary can transform your English from good to impressive, helping you express ideas more clearly and confidently. In this video, I'll be breaking down powerful, high-level words that will not only expand your vocabulary but also help you express yourself more precisely and impressively. Ready to elevate your English? Let's get started. Absurd. Meaning, ridiculously unreasonable. His suggestion was so absurd that everyone burst out laughing. Accelerate. Meaning, to speed up. The car began to accelerate as it moved onto the highway. Accountable. Meaning, responsible for something. You are accountable for your actions. Accomplishment. It means something achieved with effort. Winning the award was her greatest accomplishment. Accumulate. Meaning, to gather or collect. She managed to accumulate a small fortune over the years. Benchmark. Benchmark means a standard for comparison. This project will set the benchmark for future work. Blessing. Meaning, a beneficial thing for which one is grateful. The sunny weather was a real blessing for the picnic. Burial. Meaning, the act of placing a dead body in the ground. The family attended the burial of their loved one. Burden. A heavy load, typically an emotional or mental one. The responsibility of leading the team was a burden on him. Boundary. A line that marks the limits of an area. The river forms the boundary between the two countries. Casualty. A person injured or killed in a war or accident. The accident resulted in several casualties. Capability. The ability to do something. She has the capability to solve complex problems. Coincide. To occur at the same time. His arrival coincided with the start of the meeting. Collaborate. To work together. The two companies decided to collaborate on the new project. Consecutive. Following one after another. They won the championship for 3 consecutive years. Dedicated. Devoted to a task or purpose. She is dedicated to her research. Defect. An imperfection or flaw. The product was recalled due to a defect in its design. Denial. Refusal to acknowledge something. His denial of the facts was frustrating. Deficiency. A lack or shortage. Vitamin deficiency in the diet can cause illness. Depict. Represent by a drawing, painting, or other art form. Her paintings depict the lives of ordinary people in the last century. Echo. A sound that is reflected off a surface and heard again. Her voice echoed in the empty room. Elaborate. Involving many carefully arranged details. The proposal was elaborate and well thought out. Eligible. Qualified for something. He is eligible for a scholarship. Enthusiast. A person who is highly interested in a particular activity. She's an enthusiast of classical music. Exaggerate. To describe something as better or worse than it really is. Don't exaggerate the problem. It's not that bad. Facilitate. To make an action or process easier. The guide facilitated the group's discussion. Flee. To run away from danger. They had to flee the country due to the conflict. Fragile. Easily broken or damaged. The vase is fragile, so handle it with care. Formulate. To create or devise methodically. The scientists worked to formulate a new theory. Frustrated. Feeling annoyed because of an inability to achieve something. He felt frustrated by the lack of progress. Gathering. An assembly or meeting, especially a social or festive one. There was a large gathering of friends and family. Grace. Simple elegance or refinement. She moved with the grace of a dancer. Grasp. To seize and hold firmly. He managed to grasp the concept after some explanation. Grief. Deep sorrow, especially caused by someone's death. They were able to share their common joys and griefs. Gross. Total. A person's gross income is the money they earn before tax is deducted from it. Handy. Convenient to handle or use. This tool is very handy for quick repairs. Harassment. Aggressive pressure or intimidation. The company has a zero-tolerance policy for harassment. Harsh. Unpleasantly rough or severe. The harsh weather made travel difficult. Hostile. Aggressive or unfriendly and ready to argue or fight. The environment was hostile to new ideas. Humble. Having a modest opinion of one's own importance. Despite his success, he remained humble. Implementation. The process of putting a decision or plan into effect. The implementation of the new policy was swift, inappropriate, not suitable or proper in the circumstances. His comment was inappropriate for the occasion. Inability. The state of being unable to do something. Her inability to speak up cost her the opportunity. Ignorance. Lack of knowledge or information. His ignorance of the rules led to his disqualification. Intervene. To become involved in a situation in order to improve or help it. The teacher had to intervene to stop the argument. Legacy. Something handed down from the past. Her legacy lives on through her charitable work. Liable. Legally responsible for paying the cost of something. The company was liable for the damages. Lifelong, lasting, or existing all through your life. He has been a lifelong supporter of the team. Logic. A way of thinking or explaining something. His argument was based on sound logic. Likelihood. The state of something being likely to happen. There is a high likelihood of rain tomorrow. So, what's the meaning of formulate? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to upgrade your English even further, you can watch this. Thank you for watching.